Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'll be installing this wig that you see here. Today's unit comes from iDefine Wig. I do want to say thank you to them for sending over today's unit. Before we jump into it, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you'll be notified when I upload, and then you can follow me on my socials. They'll be here on my screen as well as my description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Alright y'all, so here is the finished look after I've gotten the wig all installed. So please let me know what you guys are thinking about it so far. I actually really like this wig. I feel like it's gonna be like one that I could wear like as chill, but I could also wear it as classy, you know, kind of dress it up a little bit. This unit feels very elegant in my descriptive words that I would use. I really love the curls. I love the color. They have highlights of brown, kind of like a caramel brown throughout the entire unit. So how the wig is made, you have lace space that's basically in like a U shape right here, and then you have 0.8 inches of lace space right here at the front, so you can pluck that out and make it like into a natural density so it will flow and look a little bit more thinned out in terms of how you want to wear it. Now, since it is with the lace space pretty much in the middle, you can, as you can tell, style it how you would like. I do have my lace here in the middle, but I literally came over to as far as I could to the left to try and make it into like a little bit of a different style and hit it with the left part instead of my usual middle part. But you could also do it on the other side if you prefer the right side and make it into a right part. So my initial thinking was I was going to cut the hair a little bit in the front to make the bangs look a little bit more shorter but still full over here. But since I know that I want to wear this unit at some point in the middle or possibly on the other side, I did not cut it. So just be aware of that. If you do feel like you want to cut it on one side with it being in the middle, I don't know, I feel like I probably would have messed it up and I wouldn't have been able to wear it as a middle part and have like two even bangs in the middle. But yeah, that's just something to think about there. The unit is definitely big head friendly, you guys. I didn't use the adjustable straps, but as you can see back here, I have a bunch of space. The unit is super duper full. I didn't have any shedding with it, any tangling with it. Now, I did pluck the parting space a little bit more because I wanted it to look as natural as it could. I added a few baby hairs over here to the side, just like some swoops to make it look a little bit more on the natural side, of course. Oh, and let me give you guys a 360 of the unit. So the hair is also very shiny, has a nice texture to it. It's very soft and silky. It's very full at the ends as well. So it's a T part wig and it has top Swiss lace. The T part space here is 1.5 inches in the width and then 5.5 inches in the depth, so it's about that far back. And then the hairline space, you have 0.8 inches here, and of course the 13 ear to ear lace here in the front. So I will be putting the link information in my description bar so you guys can check out this wig. But definitely rating this unit a 10 out of 10. I had no issues with it. It wasn't very difficult to install. I feel like it would be a very easy wig for a beginner to install. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. If you have any questions about it, leave it in my comment section below. And thank you again to iDefine Wigs for sending over today's unit. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all. Thanks so much for watching.